Hello world and welcome. I'm Heather Thrills. I'm presenting to you 3 minutes of abs doing 2 of my least favorite exercises because half the time whatever we want is just on the other side of our comfort zone. So let's get comfortable being uncomfortable in a high plank. We're going to start in 10 seconds, okay fam? We're going to do mountain climbers, but we're going to go 4 slow and then 10 fast. For my folks that want extra credit, get it popping, but otherwise set yourself up for success. Shoulders racked over the wrist, pushing the ground away, squeezing through the core. So now slowly drive that left knee to the chest and step it back. Slowly drive that right knee to the chest and really give it a hug in towards the chest. We'll go to the left, nice and slow on the way back, to the right. And 10 nice and fast. 10, 9, 8, go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 4 nice and slow. Pull it into the chest. Squeeze. We've only got 3 seconds in. 2, and roll it over onto your butts. Lift those legs up. So we've got just the legs up. We're pinning the shoulders and the back into the floor. Hands by your sides. Stick the legs out and then pull them in on the exhale. Really try to pin your entire spine down. Exhale, pull them in. You can go fast or slow. Just try to resist that arching in the back. And if you need to, you can always put your hands underneath for that support. So your whole spine is laying across that ground. We're getting these abs in. We're going to just drop the feet, put our hands on our shoulders, and exhale, sit it up. Bringing the elbows over the knees. Slowly roll down. Exhale, roll it up. Try to keep the chin off the chest. Exhale, bring it up. Let's go a little bit faster. Exhale, bring it up. So we're almost halfway through. We want to always step it up. Whenever we're getting tired, we go harder. Let's go. Whoosh. Exhale to bring it up. This is kind of our active recovery. Exhale, keep it going. Make sure to link breath to your movement, okay? Exhale, contract. Inhale, grow long, let the legs grow long. We're just going to drive that right knee to the chest, hands on the temples. Exhale, bring that left knee to the chest and send it back out. Bring it in. Let's go. So we exhale when we pull things together, when we contract, okay? Think about the stomach getting smaller because we're getting less full of air. Keep breathing. Let's go. We got 5 seconds, and we're just going to switch to the other side. Exhale, bring that knee in. Twist at the top and go to the other side. Exhale, bring the shoulder off the ground and just focus on those ab muscles. If you're feeling it anywhere else, bring the attention back to the muscles you're trying to work. You can feel it in those obliques, lower abs. We are getting it in. Exhale to the elbow to knee. Keep that up. The last exercise is my least favorite, but we're going to do it because that's what champs do. And we're going to go slow for the first 4 bicycles and then fast. So we'll bring the ankles up. Opposite elbow to opposite knee. Extend that leg nice and long. Drive it back in. We're going slow for these first 4. Taking it to each side. Whew. That belly is burning, but so is that fat. And then 10 fast. And 4 slow. Ooh. 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 fast to the bell. 3, 2, 1, and rest. You can grab onto your knees, rock it out side to side, relieving any tension. And then maybe just drop your knees to one side. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. You did that, team. If you're in the twist, take it to the other side and just take one more breath. Linger in this moment of accomplishment. And you can just do that video again, get your 6-pack on. You can hang out and stretch a little bit. But I'm off to make you more videos for that 6-pack ab. Super excited to be here for you guys. So please message me, please comment, please subscribe and like and share it. It's fitness. Everybody should be getting their 6-pack on, getting their health and wellness and these moments to care about ourselves. So thank you so much. Peace, peace, peace.